The Daodejing by Laozi, translated by Derek Lynn and read by Angus Cargill. Chapter 14. Look at it. It cannot be seen. It is called colourless. Listen to it. It cannot be heard. It is called noiseless. Reach for it. It cannot be held. It is called formless. These three cannot be completely unravelled, so they are combined into one. Above it, not bright. Below it, not dark. Continuing endlessly, cannot be named. It returns back into nothingness. Thus it is called the form of the formless, the image of the imageless. This is called enigmatic. Confront it, its front cannot be seen. Follow it, its back cannot be seen. Wield the Tao of the ancients to manage the existence of today. One can know the ancient beginning. It is called the Tao axiom. Chapter 15. The Tao masters of antiquity, subtle wonders through mystery, depths that cannot be discerned because one cannot discern them. Therefore one is forced to describe the appearance, hesitant like crossing a wintry river, cautious like fearing four neighbours, solemn like a guest, loose like ice about to melt, genuine like plain wood, open like a valley, opaque like muddy water. Who can be muddled yet desist, in stillness gradually become clear? Who can be serene yet persist, in motion gradually come alive? One who holds this Tao does not wish to be overfilled. Because one is not overfilled, therefore one can preserve, and not create anew. Chapter 16. Attain the ultimate emptiness. Hold on to the truest tranquility. The myriad things are all active. I therefore watch their return. Everything flourishes, each returns to its root. Returning to the root is called tranquility. Tranquility is called returning to one's nature. Returning to one's nature is called constancy. Knowing constancy is called clarity. Not knowing constancy, one recklessly causes trouble. Knowing constancy is acceptance. Acceptance is impartiality. Impartiality is sovereign. Sovereign is heaven. Heaven is Tao. Tao is eternal. The self is no more, without danger.